Here I have Nokia C20, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and then Do Not Disturb. Here you can switch this mode. Here you can add exceptions for this mode. For example, it could be like conversations, priority conversations, so all conversations. It could be calls, for example, from anyone, from nobody, from contacts, from all contacts, or from the shared contacts. The same goes to messages. You can also add apps to the exceptions, for example, which apps will have notifications turned on while Do Not Disturb is on. You can also add other alarms and other interruptions like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar, events. You can also add a schedule for this mode. For example, here you can select days in which this mode will be automatically turned on, set start time, end time. You can enable or disable alarm, and you can select the Do Not Disturb mode's behavior here. And in advanced you have you can set up the default duration of this mode, and you can block, for example, you can block only sound notifications, you can block sound and visual notifications, and here in the custom you can customize which notifications you want to block, which you don't want. It's all for you to decide. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.